You guys know I'm not much of a competition shooter guy, but I read your comments. All of you love Tanfoglio, so I make sure to stop here every year at IWA. It's IWA 2024. We are with Maurizio looking at the Stock Master Xtreme. This is like the top of the top dog of Tanfoglio pistols, new for 2024. Maurizio, it might take you a minute, but you're gonna have to tell me about all the features on this pistol.
Okay, this is our really new pistol for EPSC. It's how we say it's the top of our production. And if you see, it's a long slide with bull barrel, no? And with reverse crowning, and with the slide that it's open and it's just ready for EPSC. It's just so you can use without problem. And the quality of all the parts, it's the maximum that Tanfoglio can produce. And we are very proud of this because we think that it's what our best shooter has to us.
What other features does this gun have?
As you know, that basically is a Stock 3 Pro, that it's what we sell the better sales for us last year. But we introduced this the slide that it's much light, and we do this barrel that really that increase our precision and also the stability during the shooting. We change also the system, the trigger system, with the new spring and with the new parts that now it's very smooth, all in single but also in double action. So we think that it can be the right partner for every serious shooter.
So this is more or less like a high-end version of the Stock 3, correct?
Yeah. Now, Pro, because it's with bull barrel, so it's the top level of our Stock 3 Pro model.
Maurizio, I don't know what the Stock 3 Pro is because I don't do a lot of competition shooting. Yeah. But our viewers, they love your product. So I'm asking, like, maybe if someone's out there and they're like me and they don't understand what the Stock 3 Pro is, what is the Stock 3 Pro?
The Stock 3 Pro, the difference from Stock 3 and Stock 3 Pro, basically is just the barrel, because I have the bull barrel instead of the standard straight barrel. And for us, the bull barrel is very important because guarantee that you have the maximum during the shooting, also with the rapid fire. This we want also to increase, and so we do this special barrel that it's a next level, and also the slide that it's with this lightweight and these new parts, not guarantee to us to have, as you know, it's a little step more, but it's something that when you arrive at the maximum level, also a little step gives to you some big advantage.
Is this your top-end gun right now?
Top end,
oh,
yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. This is our really the top end, and it's something that our shooter that they try and they test for us. They really appreciate it because they see that this more step give to them a real advantage during the shooting.
And it's €2,900, which is quite pricey, but when you look at all the features, and of course when you look at the fact that it's a Tanfoglio.
Yeah, as you know that we are proud to have a big line, so we start from a pistol that it's not economical, but it's with a really good price, and we arrive at a high level. And for sure, this is something that we understand that the price is high, but if you want to have the better, you must spend.
All right, Maurizio, thank you so much for walking us through the Stock Master Xtreme, the top end of Tanfoglio, and we are the top end of coverage at IWA 2024, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned.